What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of Nokia 62K18 model. And let's just simply jump into this application, the CPU Z, and you can see the battery level is at 51% and the temperature of the battery is 35%. And let's start over game right away, which is the Asphalt 8 at the very beginning. So let me tell you a few of the specifications of this device. It is having 3 GB of RAM. This is not the 4 GB RAM model. In my region it is coming in 3 GB of RAM, and it is having the Snapdragon 630 processor. And the design, overall build quality, everything is just awesome. And let me just increase the brightness so that you can see how the game is playing on this device. And right now we have started the Asphalt 8, and you can see it is going so beautiful. The frame rate, everything is just looking awesome. The graphics are actually very great, and it is having the GPU Adreno 508, so we expect something great performance by this device. And previously Nokia 6 2017 was also a good device, but it was having Snapdragon 430, so that was not up to the mark. But now we have the Snapdragon 630, and this device is actually performing very good. Everything is just going smooth and perfect. I am not experiencing any kind of lag, and Nokia is making some beautiful displays. You can see as this Nokia 6 2018 is another example. I mean, this is 403 ppi, and this display just looks awesome. For right now I am just going to complete this gaming review of Asphalt 8, and after that we will be just analyzing the battery percentage and the temperature of the device, and for that you just watch this gaming review. So guys, Asphalt 8 has ended. Now let's have a look at the battery percentage and the temperature. And you can see the level of the battery is 50% and the temperature is at 38 Celsius, which means the temperature has rise to about 3% and the battery has dropped to only 1%, which is great to see about the battery. But the temperature is actually rising for this device, and I am feeling it on the physical body too. Actually it's very hot outside here, that's why the temperature is actually rising for the outside body of the device too. Now we are playing the Real Racing 3, and we have had a look at the stats, and we will be playing this game for a while too, and after that we will be analyzing the data, that what a percentage of the battery has dropped, and how much the temperature of the battery itself is hitting, and how much it is on the physical body. And right now you can see this game is actually showing some great graphics, and this is why one of my personal favorite games, which is the Real Racing 3, and I love playing this game. And you can see this game is just going great. There is no lag, everything is smooth and perfect about this game. So we have ended this game too, and I am just moving to the final game, which is the Modern Combat 5, and this is one heavy game, and actually this game will be analyzing everything which we want to see. I mean to say the frame rate and everything is just awesome. You can see the graphics are just intense and awesome. I am not experiencing any kind of slowness or lag in this game. The frame rate is just awesome and perfect as it should be, with the Snapdragon 630 processor, and 3 gigabytes of RAM is actually enough for this game to be played very well. Actually, this one is very heavy game, so people have been asking me about the PUBG and many other games which are really new in the Android and iOS, how those games will be played in these Android mid-range devices. Actually, if this game can be played very well, then those games I expect them to be played very good, and in future I will just be including those games too, to let you guys know how well those games can be played. But right now I am just focusing on these games which I usually do in my set of gaming review. So you can see it is just going awesome and perfect. So let's just enjoy this gameplay, and after that I will be analyzing the data for you guys. Guys, the gameplay has also ended for Modern Combat 5, and let's check out the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. And you can see the battery percentage is at 48% and the temperature is still at 38%, which is great to see. And the device on the back is actually very great. It was heated initially, but now it's feeling awesome, and I am not feeling any kind of hotness on the physical body of the device. So overall experience while playing games on this device has been great, and I hope you highly enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.